Early in the morning, just eating some pellets. I fed them fresh shrimp the other day, so today's a pellet day. Sorry for the glare. I got tons of tanks behind me. I'm surprised the rope fish haven't ate yet. Normally they're the first on the scene. He must have been hungry. Must have missed his shrimp yesterday or something. And the water's cloudy because I just put some shrimp food in, and I used Bacter A because it helps the baby shrimplets get food. They don't have to fight the adults. That rainbow fish is eating the scraps that's coming out of his mouth. That's funny. There's another rope fish hiding in his hole. I finally got my two Madagascar rainbow, my adult Madagascar rainbow fish in there, or three, I guess. I need to clean that glass. It's horrible. Sorry, guys. Alright, well, I think the rope fish are, I guess they're not hungry, so I'll do another update whenever they come out.